Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can fade any image to any color background in Canva, right? As you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template. Here we are going to elements, and for example, I just want this image. Okay, I have selected this image. Now I will fade this image to pinkish or reddish color. So how I can do that? So first of all, let's make this image to like this, and now we are going to elements, and here we will search for gradient. We are going to select this gradient, rotate it to 90-degree, right? And then we are just going to select it like this, right? And then what we are going to do is we will press Alt and we can simply create duplicates. So this is how you can simply fade any image to any color background using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.